Hi guys, this is Siva, and today we are going to see about how to develop an application in Win32 API, and why don't we develop application using C or C++. For that, take a look. First of all, Win32 means API means application programming interface, and Win means Windows. Yeah, Windows application programming interface. Uh, when you are installing your OS, all the APIs are included in your operating system, and you can handle those uh, applications. You can handle those APIs by calling header windows.h. Okay. Before that, why we want to develop our application using Win32 application, and why don't we develop our application using C or C++. C and C++ is CUI, character user interface. All the inputs are given by the user through console screen only. There is no graphics. By this, it is very difficult to the user to give inputs. Console screen work is taking the input and processing the input and displaying the message output. And in console screen, you need to work with the keyboard. You do not interact with your mouse or any graphics or any text boxes, etc. To overcome those situations, we need to work with Windows applications, graphic Windows. C is DOS C language, and Win32 is Windows C language. For that, we are going with graphic user interface to overcome all the situations we are faced in C language. Uh, yeah, look at here. This is a graphic window. I am working with mouse, and you can see when I am pressing file, you can see graphics over here. When I am moving my mouse cursor, it was highlighting everything, and you do not see all these features in C language. That's why we are working with Win32 API. This is nothing but advanced C language. Before going with Win32, you must know about C language, because in Win32 we are using some predefined classes, functions, etc. All these are present in C language, like switch cases, structures, and functions, macros, and some data types. Without knowing C language, it is very difficult to understand Win32 application. To develop, it is very difficult to develop Win32 application. And the entry point, look at here, windows.h. .h means it is .h. It is an extension for a header file. You are included a header file. In this header file contains some of the predefined data. You are accessing that predefined data into your application. So you can develop your application by using those predefined features. This is header. In C or C++, the entry point is int main or void main, return 0. This is entry point for C. And coming to Win32 applications, the entry point is, and some arguments here, return 0. Entry point, this is entry point for C, and this is entry point for Win32 Windows applications. Yeah, here you can download your code, and here is some code. Um, and C and Win32 are case sensitive. If you write small w here, it will say that undeclared identifier. So you need to remember all these signatures to write the code. And that's it for today.